birds chirping, and that means that it's too early for me to get up. But guess who's up? Studying. And it's getting cold. I've made a table out of a broken. It used to be a drawer table. This is my condition at the moment. Well, I came to the mall because I had to get my battery fixed. My phone is at like, my battery health is at like 75%. My phone's dying. So let's go around and we'll get coffee. That'll be fun. So the secret is Anushka knows the guy over here, but she's not playing her pussy pass so that we can get a free drink. Tell me why. Tell me. Ask her. The audience wants to know. नहीं क्या बोलते उसको? India wants to know. Do I look like a whore to you guys? Yes. I'm not a whore. She is. For one person. Me.
तुम्हारे ससुराल में चाय बहुत खराब है। रास्ते में हम लोग पी लेंगे चाय के लोग जाते हैं तो चले ही जाते हैं।
अभी सो वही किसका कान टूटा हुआ है? I swear, I've been trying to study. I even put my laptop on like a higher platform. It's not helping. It's not helping. But what is helping is I got these chopsticks and I can pick up stuff. Patient, I have ChatGPT opened up here, and then my PDFs. I have my notebook out here, and I even have my water bottle for staying hydrated. But none of that is helping. I have my financial markets ka paper, and I texted my friend and I'm like, I cannot do this. I know we just have one day, but like, how the fuck do I do it? She's like, you know what, it's fine, we'll just run through the topics and we'll do it. I was like, let's do it. So now I'm sitting with a huge cup of green tea because I don't know how that helps, but I just needed some liquid in my body. Coffee, for some reason, kicks my anxiety, and I'm like so anxious. Now we have a huge cup of green tea. I finished my finance paper in 35 minutes, where usually people have to take up the entire hour to write the midterm paper for finance. But I had to pee so bad, and that bitch was like, you cannot go in the middle of your exams. And I'm like, I literally pee here. Like, I'll shit my pants here. What are you talking about? You have to let me go. She's like, no.
तेरी हवा में मैंने लगा हूँ जाना मैं जब से तेरा हुआ हूँ तू मेरी मंजिल है तेरे कदमों पे रुकने लगा हूँ सोचो पाया दीवाना समझेगा कभी तुम कभी गाया ये करे मुझे तेरी तारीफें सुनाया ये करे मेरा दीवाना है रे मन मेरा मन मेरा जिंदा ना 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 महीने में जान के महीने में एक ही इशारे पे दिल चीज तुझे दे दी
ये कह रही है कि हमको यूके से मास्टर्स करना है। हम बोला कि ठीक है यू
बाल ऐसे रखे अच्छा है ना जिले भी उसकी थी रास्ता भी उसकी
नहीं यहाँ से दिखाया है कि 45 मिनट
मुझे बचाना
ओके जिससे भी बात करोगे
हैं?
मोटर की वो बोरिंग पहले ही बोल दिया था शानम से ना शानम आदमी मालूम हुआ कि पहुंचा तो बारात आने वाली है
हाँ वो तो ताकत आदमी आदमी को काम करता है
क्या?
हम तो बोलेंगे आप पैसे जमा करो
तो कैसे बात करे खुले में कराओ
हम लोग बहुत फंसे में
हाँ दम पीछे करा कैसे कोई जाएगा कोई भी खराबी हो जाएगी तो
हैं?
मैं अभी कैसे निकल सकता हूँ कैसे निकल
पेट ठहरेगा नहीं लग रहा है ना
नहीं नहीं
लोग पटाने की कोशिश करें पटना नहीं
matches my dress. I'm missing some blinds and I need to drive. Okay, I got some jewelries and I'm so happy about my purchase. Look at them. I got one of these. It looks so pretty. This is a cup. This is the best thing. I mean, look at them. It's absolutely gorgeous and it matches my bracelet. Love getting jewelries. And I also got hoops. I got one of these, like a classic hoop, and I also got these. They look nice. Let's try them on. I can't find, and they look absolutely gorgeous. What the heck? घुस क्यों नहीं रहा है? घुस गया. And with toys. So basically, I was thrown out of the bank. The guard was like, "Madam, आप खड़ी नहीं रह सकती यहाँ पे." Like, ठीक है. I took around the market, and then I come back and I'm trying to get in, and he's holding on to the door. He's like, "आप नहीं आ सकती." What what do you mean? She's like, lunchtime hai. Can I just sit inside? No. I'm like, my mom's inside. He's like, what the fuck? So since I had nothing to do, I went to check out glasses. And when I tell you, the guy kept smiling at me for some reason. And I'm just like, Ji, okay. And any pair of glasses that I would try is like, yahan pe bahut acha lag raha hai. I'm just here to waste my time. Can you just not do that? I'm not into you, nor am I looking at you. Why? Can you stop smiling? You're making it awkward for me. Anyways.
You brush my way and you don't think I can see it through you.
Papa.
I've been watching you for ages and I spend my time trying
Papa. Yeah. Welcome to London. Assalamualaikum.
अभी कुछ नहीं हम पैसे पे करिए हैं शादी के लिए
Oh wait, sorry. Is it not? बस हो गया भैया. I don't have 2 balls. I have 5 balls.
balls in your mouth.
So many balls.
Amazing as भाभी को it's a video के दौड़ा चुके हैं बता
I cannot eat anything from outside, but I can get a cold drink, right? What do I call them? They're like literally kids. I cannot call them bhaiya. Do I call them bhaiya? भैया ये कोल्ड ड्रिंक होगी आपके यहाँ?
हाँ कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं है,
वो कैन वाली होगी?
कैन वाली पूछना पड़ेगा।
पूछ लीजिए ना कैन वाली की. They only have Thumbs Up and Red Bull, so we decided on Red Bull.
couldn't say that it won't be that we were not you like to make a different person as if suddenly you wanted to just be friends accepting my heart is breaking you were sleeping on just fading
Okay, this one particular part of the song, okay?
I've been loved before, but right now in this moment, I feel more and more like I was meant for you.
If it takes me years, I'm going to wait just so I can post somebody to this one particular part of the song because I absolutely adore it. My friend and I, we were talking, alright? So we were talking about how if and when I date or marry whoever I marry, okay? I need somebody that has zero social media presence because it's not healthy for me. Right? Because I will stalk the living shit out of them. And I will rummage through all of the following. कौन है ये? बताओ मुझे. And not in a toxic way, but like, कौन है ये? You know, like मुझे भी बताओ कौन है ये आखिर? Because it sets expectations like, why aren't you posting me? If I'm your wife, why aren't you posting me? What is there to hide? You're married to me. And also, why do you have a social media presence? For what? You have me. What more would you want? Okay, so I'll tell you what I realized, okay? that I'm so awkward, so awkward. I was awkward in real life, but I'm so awkward even when talking to myself that I have forgotten the fine line between oversharing on the internet and also keeping things private. Because right now I'm just like, do I just tell everything? Then that would get me into so much trouble. I have to buy pads. Medical store, do I go? But I don't want to. Because a girl just going alone to buy a pad without a mother's supervision, how can she do that? But I do need pads. So I had to bring my parents to the doctor, right? So I was wearing a normal t-shirt in my pajamas and my mom's like, nahi, kurta pehno. I'm like, I'm going to be sitting in the car. Koi nahi dekhne wala. Like, why do I even have to change? She's like, but तुम घर से उतरोगी, नीचे जाओगी, लोग देखेंगे. ये लोग, it pissed me off so much. But what did I do? I had to change. I had to change. Because she was already mad at my dad. And why give her more reasons? I'm supposed to go out with my cousin and her friends and my friend. I haven't gotten ready yet. There's no jewelry, there's no makeup on. And we need to pick out a bag. This is the outfit for today. Also, this outfit is stolen from my sister's wardrobe, so shout out to her. We're going out in the afternoon and it's too hot to wear something wintry. I have to stick to this. And an ethnic makes me feel good about myself. Like, do you just not see? I tried to do something with my hair. It was really frizzy, so I just blow dried it. You know, with that thing, yeah. How does my hair look? I don't know. Is it shiny? I don't know. Wearing these really pretty jutis that I got. I don't know if you can see. And this is the result. My mother always has like the nastiest look every single time that I have to go out. Like, kuch guna karne ja rahi hu main, but I just want to look cute and like take cute pictures. That's it. Like, come on. Come on. अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन. अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन. आज हमारे साथ है YSL का MySelf.
Yes.
निकलेगा ये.
Yes.
Oh, very citrusy.
Okay.
Amazing. This is our mullet guy. It's actually so nice, man.
I know.
Smelling good.